तेरी परेशानी की वजह कोई दूसरा नहीं है। तेरी परेशानी की वजह कोई दूसरा नहीं है, मगर तू है कि खुद में कभी झांकता नहीं है।
वाह।
मगर तू है कि कभी खुद में झांकता नहीं है। और आखिर चाहता क्यों है तो किसी को समझना। आखिर चाहता क्यों है तो किसी को समझना। अभी तक खुद को तो सही से तू समझा नहीं है।
वाह सर, नाइस।
Hi, my name is Vinay. I'm from Pondicherry. So I joined September 2020 batch as a PhD candidate in mechanical engineering.
Hello, this is Ajay Singh Reddu, and I'm a PhD scholar in mechanical department in this our IIT Ropar, and we are here in our lab on this Sunday, trying to do something with our life, with our research.
You can tell from the ranking that citations which got in for the IIT Ropar in last year, you can tell that it is pretty much doing well in research, especially in research kind. And I think more they concentrated on science part, maybe because of the director's push or something, I don't know. But good, it's good that they are contributing in the science part mostly, not going only in an engineering way. So because research is more on the science part.
It's not just about IIT Ropar. According to me, that's what I can say. That whatever research we are doing in IITs, it's not helping human to be happy. It's just about writing papers, and those papers are not, they are not really helpful for our society. It's just about getting your papers published and just finishing your PhD. That's all. That's what I think.
Since I was first year, I was main concentrated on the coursework, but during coursework itself, we have to start doing our research side by side. But so we lost that exposure from the first semester because of the online semester, and in the second semester, sometimes the lab was closed. During that times we missed, but the other times we somehow got the exposure of the equipments what we are having and facilities what we have. So it's a little disappointment because of the COVID.
Yeah.
But overall, the second semester covered it anyway.
Pandemic affected at least 6 of months, 6 of my months completely. So it completely vanished my 6 months, and now also it's affecting a little bit because our lab is not able to be shifted here. We are having some problems regarding that.
Yes, pretty much you can see my smile in my face and tell that I was very happy in IIT Ropar.
Yeah, I'm happy anywhere.
The most stress part during research, I will say the novelty, because bringing something novelty is different than doing something for the kind of research, for the kind of doing. So we have to emphasize more on the novelty. That's where the most stress part I feel from my side. So whatever we wanted to do on a research, we should do in a very novel way.
Okay, then what gives you a stress during research and how you handle that?
Stress is not just about research, doing research. It's not that you are getting stressed when you are doing research. It's about your thinking. If you are thinking in two directions, then you will get stressed out. So that's it. If you are thinking both about your research and other things, simultaneously, if you want to achieve two goals simultaneously, and if both the goals are 180-degree apart, then you will be get tensed, so you will get stressed.
Like I answered in the before question, if it is very novel and then it will go to the development side. If it is not novel, we know it will help in our career building only, I think so. So I wanted to keep as much as novelty. We will see. Since I'm in first year, I cannot.
Then one typical question for you. Do you think your research contribute in India technology development?
Maybe, but it's about learning things. that you are learning about a topic. We are that it's not like that, like we are doing research for the current scenario. Like I am doing research in IC engines, and now you can say that IC engines are they are getting replaced by the electrical vehicles. So it's not just about the present day. So maybe it will help in. It is about understanding the topic, about increasing the understanding of your understanding and others' understanding, and it will, of course, it will help.
I like my lab very much.
Good.
My lab and my table, I like it very much, and I tried. I like to be in the lab most of the time. That to your lab, my lab name is.
I like to roam around, in our these parks and these grounds, and also in my room or any of my friends' room to have some poetry nights or have some discussion.
As a South Indian guy, never exposed to this type of weather. And for the first time when I came in January, I fell in love with the weather actually.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's very cold and it's very nice for a South Indian guy especially because we won't get this chillness and all in South India. So in that way, I like the weather very much. And summers, you think that South India is very hot, but believe me, proper is very hot than South India. I was into the Chennai and everywhere, but proper is too much hot.
Weather is good.
I like food. Only thing as a South Indian we miss is spiciness in the food. Except that everything is good.
Food is really good when we have started this
CMC mess.
CMC mess. It's for the students, by the students. So it's kind of Loktantra in our mess now. So mess is not kind of in mess. So we are getting good food here.
As of now, coming here is an happiest thing. And yet to face the worst moment, so we'll see in the future.
My worst moment, I don't remember, but I'm kind of always neutral, or no, I can't say much about this, about the worst and the happiest moment.
Obviously, people will fall in love in that sculptures made in form of Indus civilization, which represents the Indus civilization.
Harappa, yeah.
That is very nice, and I'm pakka sure I will show each and every department because these doesn't look like a conventional department. They look something like an IT office, corporate office, or something like a foreign building. So I will show each and every building, especially mechanical building structure is very good. I will show them.
Do you want to tell about IIT Europa Bloggers YouTube channel? Yes, yeah. I suppose that you have heard about. He's a friend of mine, and he's a good blogger, and he's having various kind of topics about which he's making vlogs and at regular intervals. So you can find everything about IIT. You can know everything about IIT on his vlogs. So you should subscribe to this channel, guys, and just be happy.
Then I will listen about IIT Europa Bloggers YouTube channel.
Please subscribe to IIT Bloggers YouTube channel. And actually, before coming here, I checked some videos in YouTube regarding how IIT Europa looks and how it is. Then I came to know about the channel. That time itself I subscribed. So thanks for having me in this.